Welcome to the final episode of Learning AI from Scratch. In the first video, we learned what is AI. In the second video, we learned what is the difference between AI, ML, deep learning, generative AI. And in the third video, we learned how to do prompting. In today's video, we will learn how to use in day-to-day basis, or how we can generate some Excel sheets, or how we can generate some images. Some places you can generate videos too, but we don't have that feature, but we will try to explore. Okay, so in our day-to-day, most of the times we use Excel. So let's see how we can generate an Excel sheet using ChatGPT, and how we can frame it, how we can use the prompt. So if I just want to generate an Excel sheet for maybe task tracking, so let's just give it a prompt that how we can generate an Excel if I just want to daily track my task, whatever I'm doing. So instead of writing the full prompt by myself, I'll just ask the AI to do it for me. So we will say, I want you. So, okay, let's do this. Give me a prompt that I want to generate an Excel sheet which I want to use for daily tracking my tasks. It should be clean and useful. Okay, let's try what it does. Okay, so as you can see, it have given us a prompt. It shows it's a clean, minimal, and highly functional. Now you can change this prompt, or if you like to add or delete something, but I'm just gonna paste it as is. But if you see, it has given a date column, then task name, priority, so it will be a drop down. Then we have a status drop down, we have start date, end date, duration will be auto calculated, and a notes section. So there is a lot of things here. So if you would want to change, you can read it and change it, but let's just start from here. We will copy this, paste it here, and enter. So let's see if it will be able to generate an Excel for us. I'm not sure if Gemini is able to, but if you guys are using ChatGPT, I'm pretty sure that it is able to generate. I don't think Gemini can create an Excel sheet. So I would say if you want to work with Excel, use ChatGPT as of now. I'm not sure about Gemini. So the daily task tracker is ready. Let's open this. So we will open up this. Let me bring it down here. Okay, so here is the task tracker ready. So if we see, we have this have generated us a sheet like this. We can add a date, task name, priorities, a drop down which can be high, medium, or low. We can add a status, it's in progress, I haven't completed. If you do completed, then it will show green. If it's pending, it will show some another color. We have start date, end date, and it will auto calculate the duration. And we can also add some notes, and the more tasks you will add, it will just keep up showing here that there's one more task pending. And so that is the pending task section, the completed task. So we can see it's pending, so it will count to 2. If we will do it completed, the completed count will increase. So this is just a basic Excel sheet which you can use for day-to-day use. Now it's one use case. I've just tried to show that it can generate an Excel and how you can work on it. It's not like you have to generate just this. Explore it. Try to upload your sheets and try to give prompts, whatever you would want it to do with Excel. Try it. It most likely will be able to help. And if it won't be able to make changes to your Excel sheet, then it can guide you through. So this is how we can use Excel with our ChatGPT. So we will not save this. Let's go back to Chrome and let's go to Gemini and see how we can generate some images. So to generate images, we will select tools and we will select, where's Nano Banana Pro? I don't see that here, but let me see. Tools, create image. Okay, so it's just create image now. You previously it used to say Nano Banana Pro. So let's say I want to create an image for downtown Toronto's CN Tower. Okay, so let's try to describe it. I want to generate an image of the Skyline 4 downtown Toronto, and I want to show a view. From the lakeside, and I want to focus on CN Tower and on the Rogers Center. I want to create the image and create a nighttime view. Okay, let's try this. Let's see what sort of image it will generate and how it's gonna look like. So it will take some time. Okay, so as you can see, the image is ready. Now, it actually doesn't look like that it's generated by an AI, because it looks a little like somebody have shot it, but I can tell that usually we don't see these fairies here. So you can draw on it as well. Not sure how I can zoom it, but you see this fairy. I usually don't see them there, but they must be there, but I haven't seen them. And how you know is just there's a logo, but you can generate a bunch of images, and nowadays it's pretty much real. And yeah, that's another use case. So if you want to create some image, or if you have your image, you want to tweak it, or you want to create your image in form of a cartoon or anything, you can have your image and take a screenshot of whatever sort of cartoon you would want to make it look like, upload that cartoon and share that you want to create this cartoon looking like image of yourself, and it will create your image look like that cartoon. So that's another use case. You can also create some videos. I don't have that feature available here, but at some places you have that feature available for free, that you can just give a prompt and then have you or your cartoon just say that you are trying to walk in the park, or you are skiing in the snow, that your cartoon will be skiing in the snow with just one prompt. So I guess we have covered almost everything. Now this might be the end of the series. This is just basic stuff, how you can start. It's not really advanced, but you guys can start with this, and I guess that's pretty much it that we can use with this. And let me know if you guys need anything else. I will try to create a video on this, and thanks for watching.